For discussion assignments that are requiring you to post a video of yourself, follow this procedure. You are going to start by creating the video in Canvas Studio. Canvas Studio is located in the left gray column, and there's a studio icon. Click on that studio icon and it will bring up your studio library. Now, as you can see here, I have 2 videos. Yours will probably be blank if you've never used Studio. So to record a video of yourself to post in the discussion assignment, you're going to start by making a recording. So you're going to click on the record button in the upper right corner and select webcam. Now here you'll see yourself in the webcam. If everything's up on your webcam, you'll see the microphone's working good. If you do not see this microphone volume going up and down, click on the microphone button and select the proper microphone you're using. If you don't see yourself, there's also the webcam and you can select the proper camera. So everything's working for me. I'm going to click Start Recording, which will give you a countdown. And now we're officially recording for this assignment. I introduce myself if that's what the assignment is. I'll do my sign languaging if that's what the assignment is. So follow your professor's instructions, and then once you're done with your video, you're going to click the finish button. Now I do need to give my video a title, so I need to title my video, and then I'm going to click save. If I'm not happy with what I did, I can start over, but I'm going to just click save for now because I do want to show you that even if I've saved it, I still can start over. I can create as many videos as I choose to by just going through the steps again of clicking record, clicking webcam, and starting all over. If I've made so many here that I want to delete the ones I don't want to keep, I just click on the 3 little dots and I click on delete and delete again. And now we're all done with deleting the videos that I do not want to keep. Okay, so now let's say I want to submit one of these 2 videos to that discussion assignment. I'm going to go back to that discussion assignment. For myself, I have to leave student view to get to that assignment. So I'm going to go to that assignment and I'm going to get back into student view so we look from your perspective here. So here is the assignment, discussion assignment. Your teacher wants you to post a video of yourself. So what we do is we have to click on the reply tab of that assignment. I'm going to scroll down, and in most cases you would be typing in a reply, but in this case you're going to submit a video. And we want to submit the video we just created. So in the toolbar up top here is a studio icon. If you happen not to see that icon, there is a plug looking icon that says apps. If I click on that, you can select Canvas Studio here. Again, if you do not see that, you can click on View All and Canvas Studio will be listed here and you can select it here. I'm going to close this and just go with the icon that's in the toolbar. I'm going to click that. And now what it's going to do is show me all the videos that are in my Studio Library collection. So I can choose either one of these videos to submit to the assignment. I will just select this top one. Now what's important here is to turn this display media tabs off. We do not want to include that in the video for many reasons we're not going to get into. So we're just turning that off. We're going to click embed. Now it just embedded the video, but we're not done yet. We still have to post that reply as the instructor requested. So now your video has been posted in the discussion. Now your fellow students can reply, or you also can reply to other fellow students by clicking on the reply and following your professor's instructions on what they want you to do in the reply. And then, you post your reply once you've done that. And that's how you post a video submission. Good luck.